Good morning, students. Now we are take the topic vitamins. Vitamins are vital nutrients that is present most in all foodstuffs. That is called as vital nutrients. That is required in minute quantities. Vitamins are required in minute quantities to perform the specific physiological and biochemical functions. Vitamins are vital nutrients. They are required in our body in minute quantities. They are perform specific physiological and biochemical functions. What to know? Dr. Funk, it is the first scientist introduced the term vitamin. It is to introduce the term vitamin. The vitamin term is introduced by Mr. Dr. Funk. Vitamin A is given the first letter of the alphabet and it is the first vitamin discovered. So, first discovered vitamin is vitamin A. Okay. Vitamins are vital nutrients. They are required minute quantities only. These vitamins perform the specific physiological and biochemical functions in our body. The vitamin term is introduced by Dr. Funk. The first identified vitamin is called as vitamin A. Next we can see the vitamin D. Vitamin D is synthesized by our human skin. Our skin is synthesized in vitamin D during the exposed to the sunlight. During exposed sunlight in our skin, vitamin D is automatically synthesized. Especially in the early morning. During early morning, the sunlight is exposed to in your skin, the vitamin D is automatically produced. When the sun rays falls in our skin, the dihydrocholesterol is converted into vitamin D. The dihydrocholesterol is present in our beneath the skin. When the skin is exposed to the sunlight, the dihydrocholesterol is converted into vitamin D. Hence, the vitamin D is called as sunshine vitamin. This one more question. Which one is called as sunshine vitamin? Vitamin D is called as sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D improves our bone strength, helping the body absorb our calcium. Vitamin D used for the absorption of calcium minerals. Once more reply. Human skin is synthesized by vitamin D when the sunlight is exposed to in your skin, especially in the early morning. When the sun rays falls in your skin, the dihydrocholesterol is converted into vitamin D. Hence, the vitamin D is called as sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D improves the bone strength and helps in absorption of calcium minerals. Next, minerals. Minerals are inorganic substance, that is non-carbon compounds is called as inorganic compounds. They are required in essential nutrients by organism to perform the various biological functions to necessary for life. Minerals are required in our body. It is essential nutrients. By the organism. It is uses of minerals is to perform the various biological functions and also necessary for our life. They are made up of teeth. Teeth is formed by minerals. Bones is formed by minerals. Tissues are formed by minerals. Blood is formed by minerals. Muscle is formed by minerals. Nerve cells is formed by minerals. So, the minerals is the most essential nutrients in our body. There are two types of minerals. The first one is macro minerals, another one is micro minerals. The minerals required in large quantities in our body is called as macro minerals. The minerals required in small quantity of our body is called as micro minerals. The macro minerals required by human is calcium. The examples of macro minerals is calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium. These are the macro minerals. The examples of macro minerals is calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium. These are the examples of macro minerals. Next, micro minerals. It is required in minute quantities in trace amounts or trace elements. They are sulfur, iron, chlorine, cobalt, copper, zinc, manganese, molybdenum, iodinum, selenium. These are the examples of micro minerals. Once more reply. Minerals are inorganic substance. Inorganic substance means they are non-carbon compounds is called as inorganic substance. They are required in essential nutrients by the organisms. The functions of minerals is to perform the various biological functions. They are necessary for our life. They are constitute teeth, bones, tissues, blood, muscles and nerve cells. These cells are formed by minerals. The minerals are classified into two types. First one is macro minerals, another one is micro minerals. The examples of macro minerals are calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium. These are the examples of macro minerals. Next, micro minerals. The examples of micro minerals is sulfur, iron, chlorine, cobalt, copper, zinc, manganese, molybdenum, iodine, selenium. These are the examples of micro minerals. Next, protein energy. Protein energy malnutrition means PEM, shortly formed PEM. The absence of certain nutrients in our daily diet over a long period of time leads to the deficiency disease. What is deficiency means? That is the absence of certain nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats in our daily diet over a long period of time leads to the deficiency disease. This condition is called as malnutrition. This condition is called as malnutrition. The deficiency of protein energy leads to the severe conditions like kwashiorkor marasmus. Kwashiorkor marasmus. These are two diseases formed by the deficiency of protein. Kwashiorkor marasmus. Once more reply. The absence of certain nutrients in our daily diet over a long period of time leads to the deficiency diseases. This condition is referred malnutrition. The deficiency of protein leads to the two diseases kwashiorkor marasmus. Kwashiorkor and marasmus. Next, our dietary source of major foodstuff is three types: major foodstuffs and dietary sources and daily requirement of grams. Our food contains three types: carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Carbohydrates, proteins and fats. There are three types. There is the source of carbohydrates, honey. Their food is from honey, sugar canes, all fruits, whole grains, wheats and rices, starchy vegetables and rice. These are the examples of carbohydrates. Our daily requirements is carbohydrates 150 gram to 200 gram need carbohydrate products. Next, proteins, legume, plants, pulses, பருப்பு வகைகள், nuts, கொட்டை வகைகள், soya beans, green leafy vegetables, fish, poultry products, கோழி சம்பந்தமான products, eggs, milks and dairy products, பால் பண்ணை பொருட்கள். இதில் எல்லாத்துலேயும் என்ன இருக்கு? Proteins இருக்கு. Our daily need proteins is 40 grams needed. Next, fats. Fats are present in egg yolk, saturated oils, meats. There are daily 35 gram fat needed in our body. Once more reply. Dietary source and foodstuffs. The major foodstuffs and the dietary source and the daily requirements of products. There are three types of foodstuffs: carbohydrates, proteins and fats. The source of carbohydrates is honey, sugar canes, fruits, whole grains, starchy vegetables and rices. The daily requirement of the carbohydrates is 150 gram to 200 grams. Next, proteins. Proteins present in legumes, pulses, nuts, soya beans, green leafy vegetables, fishes and poultry products like eggs, milks and dairy products. The daily requirements of proteins is 40 grams. Next, for fats. Fats are present in egg yolks, saturated oils and meats. The daily requirements of fats is 35 grams. Next, vitamin tables. Vitamin are dietary source deficiency disorders and symptoms all you can see. Okay, first vitamin is vitamin A. Vitamin, the chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. That is retinol. The chemical name of vitamin A is called as retinol. Sources, that is present in animals, deficiency disorders and symptoms they are seen. The source of vitamin is carrot, papaya, leafy vegetables, fish liver oil, egg yolk and liver, dietary products, பால் பண்ணை பொருட்கள் எல்லாத்துலயும் இந்த விட்டமின் ஏ இருக்கு. The deficiency of vitamin A is xerophthalmia. First one is xerophthalmia. Nyctalopia is otherwise called as night blindness. ஹார்மோனிக் மேல கண்ணு தெரியாது, அதுக்கு பேர் தான் nyctalopia அல்லது night blindness அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பேர். The symptoms is dryness of cornea. Our eye cornea is dry, unable to see in the night. Dim light la ungala paaka mudiyum. Scaly skin எல்லாம் வெளுத்து போயிடும். First we can see the fat soluble vitamins. They are fat soluble vitamin is vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. These are the fat soluble vitamins. First vitamins, sources and deficiency disorders and symptoms. Vitamin A, the chemical name of vitamin A is called as retinol. Vitamin A present in carrot, papaya fruits, leafy vegetables, fish liver oils, egg yolks and liver cells, dietary products, பால் பண்ணை பொருட்கள் எல்லாம் இதில் இருக்கு. The deficiency disorders, xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia means dryness of cornea. Our eye cornea is dried. Next, nyctalopia means night blindness. It is unable to see at the night or 6 p.m. 6 மணிக்கு மேலே கண்ணு தெரியாது. That is called as dim lightல கண்ணு தெரியாது. Scaly skin is the examples of symptoms of vitamin A. Next vitamin is vitamin D. The chemical name of vitamin D is calciferol. That is called as calciferol. Vitamin D present in egg, liver, dietary products, fish, synthesized by skin light. Already we see vitamin D is synthesized by skin and sunlight. Okay, the deficiency of vitamin D is disease is called as rickets in children. In adult is called as osteomalacia. Okay, children's disease is called as rickets, adult is called as osteomalacia. The symptoms of vitamin D is bowed legs, வளைந்த காலெல்லாம் வளைஞ்சு போயிடும். Defective development of pigeon chest அப்படின்னா முன்னாடி chest வந்து வளைஞ்சு போயிடும், புறாவுக்கு இருக்கிற மாதிரி பின்னாடி வளைஞ்சு போயிடும், அப்படி வந்து அதுக்கு ஒரு pigeon chest. Next vitamin is vitamin E. Vitamin E, the chemical name of vitamin E is called as tocopherol. The chemical name of vitamin E is called as tocopherol. That is present in whole wheat. கோதுமையோட முழு கோதுமை இதுலேயும் அதுக்குள்ள விட்டமின் இ இருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் மீட், கறியில் இருக்கு. வெஜிடபிள் ஆயில்ஸ் அண்ட் மில்க், பால் இருக்கு, அதிகமாக இருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட், த டிஃபிஷியன்சி டிசார்டர்ஸ் ஆஃப் விட்டமின் இ இஸ் ஸ்டெரிலிட்டி இன் ரேட்ஸ். எலிகளில் குழந்தை பிறக்காத தன்மை போயிடுது. எலிகளுக்கு வந்து குழந்தை பிறக்கிற தன்மை இல்லை. ரீப்ரொடக்டிவ் அப்னார்மலிட்டிஸ் வரும். ஸ்டெரிலிட்டி அப்படின்னா குழந்தை பெற்றுக்க முடியாத தன்மைக்கு பேர் ஸ்டெரிலிட்டி. Next, vitamin K. Vitamin K is otherwise called as quinone. The chemical name of vitamin K is called as quinone. Derivatives of quinone are பகுதி பொருட்கள். The source of vitamin K is leafy vegetables, soya beans, milk. இதெல்லாம் vitamin K இருக்கு. Vitamin K ஓட ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து blood clotting is prevented. அப்படின்னா blood clot ஆகாது. நார்மல் blood clot வந்து 5 to 9 minutesல blood வந்து ஏரில் எக்ஸ்போஸ் பண்ணால் கிளாட் ஆகணும். பட் ஆனால் விட்டமின் கே இருக்கிற இல்லை அப்படின்னா பிளட் கிளாட் ஆகாது. எக்ஸசிவ் ப்ளீடிங் டிசீஸ், டிலேடு பிளட் கிளாட்டிங் அப்படின்னா அதிகப்படியான பிளட்டு ப்ளீடிங் ஆகும். பிளட்டு கிளாட் ஆகிறதுக்கு லேட் ஆகும். அப்படி கிளாட் லேட் ஆகுச்சுன்னா பிளட் இஸ் கண்டினியூஸ்லி ஃப்ளோ வித் இன் யுவர் பாடி. இட் லீட்ஸ் டு தி டெத். Okay students, once more reply. Vitamin D sources and deficiency disorder symptoms we can see. First we can see the fat soluble vitamins, கொழுப்பில் கரையும் vitamin. Vitamin names, what are the source of these vitamins, deficiency disorders of these vitamins, next symptoms of these vitamins. That is important. Clearly you must understand. First vitamin is vitamin fat soluble vitamin is A, D, E, K. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K is fat soluble vitamins. First vitamin is vitamin A. The chemical name of vitamin A is called as retinol. Retinol. The source of vitamin A is carrot, papaya, leafy vegetables, fish liver oil, egg yolk, liver and dietary products have vitamin A. The deficiency disorders of is vitamin A is xerophthalmia. That is called as xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia symptoms is dryness of eye cornea. Dry cornea should be dry. Next nyctalopia. Nyctalopia, that is night blindness. மாலைக்கண் நோயின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Unable to see at night, dim light. That is called as nyctalopia, night blindness. Other symptom is scaly skin. Next vitamin D. The chemical name of vitamin D is called as calciferol. The chemical name of vitamin D is called as calciferol. 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 The vitamin D is associated with calcium absorption in our body. So it is the chemical name of the vitamin D is called as calciferol. It is used in your stomach. Absorption of calcium and phosphorus takes place in small intestine and in your stomach. Vitamin D present in egg, liver cells and dietary products. பால் பண்ணை பொருட்கள், பால், பாதாம் பால், பால் கவர்னம். Fish synthesized by skin and sunlight. Already we know our skin is synthesized vitamin D, especially in the early